Okay, today I'm going to show you how to set up a workspace on your AutoCAD so that whenever you need to make a drawing, you will not bother to set your drawings from the beginning to the end. So here am I in AutoCAD already. So you just need to come over to where you have get started. Just click here and wait for it to load. Okay, so when you have AutoCAD, once you open AutoCAD, this is the default interface you're going to see. So here you have the features. This is the workspace, which is drafting and annotation. Drafting and annotation here. This is the workspace. So here you have your tools here. You have your drawing tools. You have your modify tools, you have your annotation tools, and the rest of other tools here which you can use. So as far as the software is concerned, you can set it the way you wish. You can make adjustments, pick tools that you can be able to use anytime, any day. So in this very tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can edit the workspace, make it suitable for your own usage, and also save your settings so that whenever you launch AutoCAD or whenever you launch it from your computer, all your settings, your unit settings, your measurement settings, your dimension settings will be saved and you can use them anytime you open your AutoCAD. So right here I can close this ribbon here just by right clicking at this point, and so I'll move down to where there is close here and click on this point. So you could see that this ribbon here has gone already. So that's it. So if I need to edit it, or if I need to bring out my tools here, I'll just have to come over here where there's this little arrow pointing down. So I'll just click here and I'll navigate down to this place, and I'll click on show menu bar. So you can see that okay, my menu bar has come up here. So I have file, edit, I have view, insert, I have format, and the rest of other menu options here. So from this menu bar, I can edit and put my tools in which I will be using. So over here, I will go to tools bar. From the tools bar here, I can set up. So if I want to bring my ribbon back, I will head over to where there's palette and go over to ribbon. I'll click on ribbon, and you could see my ribbon is back just the way it was in the drafting and annotation settings. So I'll still close it and do some other adjustments so you could see. Alright, so go back again to tools and then go to tools bar. Now go to AutoCAD, and then from here I can choose any tools of my choice. Just pick them out and align it on my canvas so I can see it. So for here, I'm going to choose the draw through here first. I'm going to choose this. Okay, you could see the thing has come out here, align here. So this is my drawing tools, just as my left side here. If I need to bring out other tools, I will just come over at the top here. I'll right click and you could see other tools. So head over, move down. Next thing again, I'll choose layers. Alright, so this is my layers here. This is my layer tools. I can choose whichever layer. I can create layer from here. I can do other things here as well. So once again, come back here, right click on it. You can choose other items here also. Like now I want to choose modify, so click on modify. Okay, this is the modification tools. So here I can modify my drawings. So I have all other tools here for modification. So I'm going to click here again and bring out another tool. Okay, we don't need this. Come back again, click on it, right click, and then I'm going to take dimension this time around. So click on dimension. So this is dimension. Just over here you have your dimension tools. So whenever I need it for drawing, I could use this dimension tool here. So once again, I'll add another tools. Let's say second layer tools. Second layer, so I can rearrange this to look like this. Okay, so once again, let me add another tool. I'm going to add inquiry. So I'll drag this and put it here. Once again, I will right click on any of these tools and pick another tool. Let's say modify tool. So I'm gonna pick this tool again and then put it here. So whenever I need this tool, it will be easier for me to pick it from any of these points and then make use of it. So that's just the idea. So if you can edit your workspace like this, just have it set and then you make use of it. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to set my unit, and I'll head over to format menu and then go to unit, or you can also type unit on your system. Type UN on your system, and that is you see the unit command. Click on it and then click on, make sure this is decimal. Choose your precision depending on your values. I'm going to use 0 here. Choose your insertion scale, your measurement unit. I'm going to use millimeters. Make sure here is decimal degrees. Make sure the precision here is 0. This box should be unchecked, and the lightning here should be international. So hit on OK. So after that, I'm going to set my dimension. So come back to format menu and click on dimension style manager, or simply type D on your keyboard and you'll see dimension style manager. So you have two dimension already here. You have the annotative and the standard. So I can modify this by simply clicking here so that I can modify. So I have lines tab, the symbols and arrows tab, the text tab, the fit tab. So for you to be able to set this dimension, please check my video. The link is in the description below, please. And I've show how you can set up dimension, how you can set up unit, how you can set up layers for drawings before you start drawing. So I'm not going to spend time on this again. Please, for you to be able to know how to set up the dimension, check the video, check the link in the video below, please. Alright, for that I'm going to click OK and then close this. So once you have the setup and some other things we want to adjust, let's say we'll add one more layer here or one more tools. I'm going to add grouping tools. Okay, move it from here down to this side. Alright, so once you're done with all of these settings, what you do is head over down to where you see these icons, like the settings icons. So just click on it and then go to where you see save current as. So click on save current as. So here you title your workspace. Let's say I'm going to use new workspace, new workspace. Then hit on save to save your file. So you can still come over here and go to workspace settings. So from here you see your new workspace is here. So if you want to do other settings and you want it to automatically save, you check this box here, automatically save workspace changes. So once you check this, whatever changes you're doing to all of this workspace, either drafting and annotation or 3D basics or 3D modeling or my workspace or new workspace, all of these settings will definitely be saved without you stressing yourself. So that's just the idea. You could use this anytime at your own convenience. All you need to do is just set your workspace, name it, do the necessary settings. But once you're done setting, your workspace will be saved, both your unit, both your dimension, both your tools arrangement on the canvas. Everything will be set and ready. So once you're using AutoCAD the next time, what you need to do is just to launch it and then choose the workspace which you prefer to use. And once you choose it, all your settings are still there. So it's as simple as that. For you to go back and do settings again all over, let's say for like drafting and annotation, because you didn't choose automatically save workspace changes, all the settings will go back. No matter how the changes, it will still go back. So that's just the idea. So you can use this to set your workspace so that when once you need to make drawing again, it will be easy for you. Just go direct, choose your workspace, and then start making your drawings with convenience. So thanks for watching.